Rain or shine, there's never a dull moment at Tremblant. There's always something fun to do during your next visit. This week, we're going to play indoors at the virtual reality arcade. So come with us as we tell you what is happening for the June 6th weekend. This weekend is the opening of a few additional activities at the resort. So on Friday, the indoor slides at the Bredois Aqua Club reopen, and the golf season kickstarts at the Géant golf course. Also, starting Saturday, you can enjoy the iceberg inflatable game at Lake Tremblant. From Friday to Sunday, Tremblant will be hosting the NBHPA festival as the best deck hockey players will gather for a 3-day tournament at the base of the village. Finally, this Sunday is the very first edition of the Taco Fest presented by the Poco Loco restaurant. This spicy taco contest will be held at the Promenade des Lauriers, where participants will have to eat increasingly spicy tacos for a chance to win. So have a great weekend and see you at Tremblant!